Good morning, class second. Class is your English literature, and today we'll start our new chapter, chapter 12, Curly Locks and the Three Bears. What's the chapter's name? Curly Locks and the Three Bears. So, class, this is your chapter 12, Curly Locks and the Three Bears. Okay, it's a story. Okay, this is a story about Curly Locks. Curly Locks is a girl. Here you can see in this picture, she is Curly Locks, and she is Curly Locks. Her name is Curly Locks because of her curly hair. Okay, you can see here her hairs are curly, so just because of it her name is Curly Locks. Okay, and also in this story there are three bears. So let's start. What is the story? Once there was a girl with curly hair. Her name was Curly Locks. Here you can see in this picture she was Curly Locks. Okay, her name was Curly Locks. One day she went into the forest near her house. She saw a cottage. Okay, one day what happened? She went to a forest, okay, near her house. Okay, and also in that forest she saw a cottage. Cottage means a house. Okay, a small house. Is anybody in? She asked. Okay, so when she saw the cottage, she go inside. Okay, she go near that house. Okay, and then she asked, is there anybody in this house? There was nobody. Okay, in that house there was nobody. The bear family lived in the cottage. Whose cottage was that? That cottage was bears. Okay, and the bear family lived in the cottage. They had gone for a walk. Okay, the bear family gone somewhere. Okay, they went for a walk. Curly Locks went in. She wanted to see how who lived there. Okay, so after then what happened? Curly Locks went in the house, in the cottage. Okay, she wanted to see that who lived in that cottage, in that house. She saw three bowls of porridge. Porridge, a kind of dish. Okay, a kind of food. So she saw three bowls of porridge on the table. When she go inside that house and saw three bowls of porridge on the table. Okay, on the dining table, she saw three bowls of porridge. Okay, and on that bowl, on that dining table, there was a big bowl for Papa Bear. There were three bowls, na? So the first big bowl for Papa Bear, and a middle-sized bowl for Mama Bear, and a tiny little bowl for Baby Bear. Okay, when she went inside the cottage, she saw three bowls of porridge. Okay, and they all three were of three different sizes. Okay, here you can see in this picture, the first one is the big, the second one is the middle size, and the third one is the small size. Okay, so the first big size is for Papa Bear, the middle size bowl is for Mama Bear, and the third smallest size bowl for Baby Bear, Papa, Mama and Baby. After then, Curly Locks was hungry. Okay, here you can see in this picture, Curly Locks was very hungry. She wanted to eat the food. She ate the porridge. Okay, she was very hungry, so she ate the porridge from the big bowl. Okay, firstly she ate the big bowl. It was very hot. Okay, the porridge was very hot. She ate from the middle size bowl. Okay, after then she started eating from the middle size bowl. It was too cold. Okay, big bowl was very hot and middle size was very cold. Then she ate from the tiny little bowl. It was just right. Okay, here you can see she ate from the smallest size bowl, little size bowl. Okay, which is for the Baby Bear. So she ate from this little bowl. Okay, she ate porridge from this little bowl. After then, it was just right. Okay, it was totally perfect for this girl, for this Curly Locks. Okay, Curly Locks ate up all the porridge. Then she went to the bedroom. Okay, firstly she enjoyed the food, she enjoyed the porridge, she ate totally porridge. Okay, she ate whole porridge, and then she wanted to take rest, and then she went to the bedroom, okay, for taking rest, for sleeping. There was a big bed for Papa Bear, okay. So when she went to the bedroom, again she saw three beds, okay. First bed is very big, okay, for the Papa Bear. Second bed is middle size, which is for Mama Bear. And the third one is tiny little bed, okay. The third one is smallest bed, okay, tiny bed, which is for Baby Bear, okay. So the big bed was very hard, okay. The big bed was very hard because it was for Papa Bear. Then the middle size bed was too soft because it was for Mama Bear. But the tiny little bed was just right, okay. The tiny little, the smallest bed was totally perfect, okay, was totally correct and right for Curly Locks. So then Curly Locks fell asleep in the tiny little bed. After then what happened? She went to the tiny little bed and then started sleeping, okay. She takes sleep on that little bed. The bear family came back. After some time, when the bear family came back from walking, they saw somebody ate my porridge, shouted Papa Bear in his big gruff voice. Okay. So here what happened? When the bear's family came from walking, they saw in the house that somebody ate my porridge, shouted Papa Bear in his big gruff voice. Firstly the Papa Bear, okay, firstly Papa Bear saw that somebody ate his porridge, somebody ate his food, okay, and then he cried loudly, he shouted in a loud and big voice, okay. So then somebody ate my porridge too, said Mama Bear. After then Mama Bear also saw that somebody ate her porridge, her food. So she also cried loudly. Then somebody finished all my porridge, said Baby Bear in his tiny little voice. Okay, and after then the Baby Bear also saw that somebody ate all porridge. Okay, so he also cried loudly, okay, in an angry voice. So after then the bear family went to the bedroom, okay. After saw all that things that somebody ate their food, they went to the bedroom. Somebody slept in my bed, shouted Papa Bear in his big gruff voice. So firstly Papa Bear cried loudly and said that somebody slept in my bed. After then Mama Bear also said that somebody slept in my bed too. Okay, Mama Bear also said that somebody slept in my bed. Okay, and then Baby Bear said somebody is sleeping in my bed. Okay, said Baby Bear in his tiny little voice. Okay, after then what happened? When Baby Bear saw that somebody is sleeping in my bed, okay, he also said it in a little voice, tiny little voice, that somebody is sleeping in my bed. Okay, Curly Locks woke up. When she heard the noise, she woke up. Okay, she saw the three bears. Okay, when she woke up, she saw three bears. One is Papa Bear, second is Mama Bear, and third is Baby Bear. She jumped down and ran out of the cottage as fast as she could. Okay, so when Curly Locks saw all these three bears, she was afraid, and then she jumped down from the bed and ran out from the cottage as fast as he could. Okay, so here the story is completed. All of you enjoyed this now? A very lovely story, a funny story about Curly Locks and the three bears, Papa Bear, Mama Bear, and Baby Bear. Okay, and this story is adapted from Goldilocks and the Three Bears. It's only a part, okay, not the whole story. It's only a part from the book Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Okay, the story book name is Goldilocks and the Three Bears, and this is only a part of this story. Okay, so here the story is completed. Hope you all enjoyed the story very much. I also enjoyed it very much. And here there are some new words for you. First is curly, C-U-R-L-Y, curly. Second is cottage, C-O-T-T-A-G-E, cottage. Third is bowl, B-O-W-L, bowl. Fourth is porridge, P-O-R-R-I-D-G-E, porridge. And last is hungry, H-U-N-G-R-Y, hungry. So class, here chapter 12 story is completed. Okay, so it's enough for the day. Thank you.